Hey guys, Happy New Year! This is the first video of 2021 and I'm super excited about it. So I hope you guys had a great New Year's, holidays, all that. Hope it was awesome for you guys. Today I want to talk to you guys about a awesome find that I found while at the Dollar Tree that I believe will make a great addition to your spring garden. Let's get into it.
Of you every night. Dream of you and can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you and can I help it if I dream of you?
This is what I found at the Dollar Tree. So, okay, I'm a crafty person. I love to craft. I like making things. I like kids crafts, all that. So I wasn't even at the Dollar Tree looking for anything that had anything to do with gardening at this point. I wasn't looking for anything, but I went to the Dollar Tree and they had their seeds out, they had these pots out, they had everything out for spring. I was like, it's January, they early? But, you know, whatever. And so I saw these, and they don't come like this. They come individually like this, and there's 3 sections. And I just think that these are really awesome. They have drainage holes in the bottom. You could use one of these for, you know, starting seeds or whatever if you wanted to do that. But what I'm most excited about is that you can stack them and have your own like gardening tower. Now, if you're a person that has limited space, maybe limited mobility even, this could be something that could be really great for you. You could grow flowers in it. Strawberries, beans, you know, possibly I believe that there are a lot of things you could use these for. There's another product that's similar. It's not similar to this because it's like really expensive, and it's a garden tower. Now that's a little bit out of my price range as far as paying for this large tower and all the stuff that goes with it. That's just not really what I'm able to do at this moment, which is fine. But I believe this is the really good alternative to that. You can stack them as high as you want. When I was at the store, they had a lot, but I was like, I don't want to be greedy. And then I went back to the store to get more, and they were sold out. So if you see these in your local Dollar Tree, Dollar General, get them. Because these could really, really be a great addition to your garden. What I think I might do is maybe do strawberries in here, or some bush beans. I really believe that there's a lot of possibilities for these. You could do flowers if you want to. But I want to circle back to the limited space. I get questions from people asking, I live in an apartment. All I have is a patio or a balcony. This could be really great. One of these, or one of the canvas pot containers that I've talked about on my channel before. Those could be great. They could be an awesome addition to your balcony garden, patio garden. And so I just think that this is really awesome. And I wanted to share it with y'all because I was so crunk. Like, I was so hyped. And these are not all that I have. I have 3 more, but they fell whenever I was putting them up. But I was just really excited, and I really wanted to share it with you guys in case you want to go out and get some too. I've never used them before. I've never used them, and so I can't really give you any feedback on how they've been when I have personally used them. But y'all, it's a neutral. I love neutral colors. It's a neutral color. It's cute. You know, if I end up finding some more, I'm definitely going to buy them because I was just so excited about this. Can you tell? Can you tell I'm excited? But yeah, look. Like, can you imagine, like, if it was about maybe as tall as me with some beautiful foliage or some beautiful amaranth or something growing in it. I mean, the containers, these individual containers are about 6 inches, and a lot of things only need 6 inches of soil to grow in. So I believe that these will be really beneficial. You can't grow any tomatoes in here or anything that would need to be buried deeper, but you definitely can do something with these. And so yeah, I'm really excited, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how I use mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I kind of just threw a lot of information at you, but I'm trying to contain my excitement. But y'all, go get you one of these. Go get you some of these. They're only $1 at the Dollar Tree. $8, and you have an entire tower garden. Check it out if you like it. As always, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.